and this is Tickle Lewis TV. Following the chase wherever...
We have Lewis and Ling here, and they are following each other around. We were going to blow up this yazoo bottle
for a single 13-year-old boy.
That's this one. Yes, the one that's flying for LW. He is single. He needs a boy to make his life.
This is the official mating season.
Get him! I'm following it. I'm a raving reporter. Yeah. Yeah, shoot the yazoo.
Should we do brother and sister?
Right. Ready? We're going into Lewis fighting again. Lewis tickling.
Are we ready?
No.
This one's got to be...
Oh, did you hear that? His famous quote. Lewis, don't bother.
No, shove it on Lewis.
Ready? Woo! Woo! Woo!
Oh, no, pass it to me now.
What's this like? Noisy or safety?
I will actually come on it.
It's Ashley and Ben.
Oh, Harry, you're not cold.
It's going on YouTube.
This is Ben.
It's going on YouTube. It's called My School.
It's called Hi, I'm Ben.
After W.
My name.
Who exploded it? Me. Let's play footy with it.
Oh, he does as well at the same place as the green thing. Oh.
Tickle!
Is the green thing on there, is it?
Yeah, the green.
No.
My green thing won't come out all the way.
No.
Well,
Well, it's not brown.